How to get 55% off Expedia coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Expedia coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Expedia. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, 30% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you want to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Expedia. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Type in your code and confirm your flight. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers for Expedia. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Expedia. So this way you can easily get up to 55% off Expedia coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.